In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Spotify from Discord. If you've linked your Spotify to Discord in the past, you might want to remove it for privacy, troubleshooting, or because you're switching to a different Spotify account. Disconnecting only takes a moment, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you don't miss anything. Start by opening Discord and logging in. This can be the desktop app or the web version. Both work the same for this process. Make sure you're signed into the Discord account you want to manage. If you use multiple accounts, it's easy to make changes in the wrong one by mistake. Once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of Discord, next to your username and avatar. Click the small gear icon labeled User Settings. This opens a panel with all of your personal settings, from profile to privacy. In the left-hand sidebar of User Settings, find and click Connections. This is where Discord lists any accounts you've linked, like Spotify, Twitch, or other services. Give the page a second to load. If you have several connections, they'll appear as cards or tiles. Now, look for the Spotify connection in the list. You'll recognize it by the Spotify logo and name. If you don't see Spotify here, that means it isn't currently connected, and you're already done. Otherwise, once you locate it, move your cursor to that Spotify card. On the Spotify connection, click the X icon. It's the remove button for that specific connection. Discord will immediately prompt you to confirm the change. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental removals. When the prompt appears, click Disconnect. As soon as you confirm, Discord unlinks your Spotify account. From that point forward, Discord will stop showing your Spotify activity on your profile and status, and any features that rely on that connection, like showing what you're listening to or enabling listen along, will be turned off for that account. If your goal was to fix a syncing glitch or stop Discord from broadcasting your listening activity, this should solve it. If you were planning to connect a different Spotify account, you can do that later from this same Connections page. Just remember, once you disconnect, the link is gone until you set it up again. That's all there is to it. Open Discord and log in, go to User Settings, head to Connections, find Spotify, click the X, and confirm by selecting Disconnect. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Discord account organized and your privacy settings exactly how you want them.